So once you are inside here in Digital Growth Community, so this is the Access Community, right? This is, when you click this one, this is our digital community, right? We have 20 members. So there is, I'm already logged in. That's why, I have already inside. But that is, I'm showing you the link, right? So this one is when you view all our products. So this one, tech done for you services. If you are not techie, okay, so the company will do for you. Like they are asking to set up your panel for $150. But if if expensive for you this one, me, I'm also setting up the panels for you for just $50. Yes, just $50. I will sign up the panel for you. Okay. So this is our product. If you join Launchpad or $100, this is the folder you will see in your account. Okay. If you join 300, you will see these three. Bonuses, passive daily pay, blueprint. If you join 300, you will open this folder. Okay. If you join 600, digital mastery, you will open this. And if you join Legacy Builder, okay, you will open this folder. Okay, in this video, I will show you this one. Open the Digital Legacy Builder program. Okay, so it says, welcome to Legacy Builder program, community guidelines, what to expect. This one, you will click this one. And our goal in here is to create your panels as soon as possible. Okay, so you will skip for a moment all of this. You will skip this one for a while and you will go directly in here. Okay, so in here, so since you already created your System.io account, all you need to do is just watch this video, all of this, do not skip, okay? It only takes you few minutes, right? So even if you are very new and you are not techie, as long as you will follow this video exactly as it is, you can do this, okay? So first, you need to click this one. After that one, this one, in here. When you click this one, sharing System.io template, this is for our panel, okay? So you just click this one. Since you are already logged in your System.io, so you will just click this. You just copy. You just copy. And click this, right? So you will get that share code. You need to follow this one step by step. Do not skip. Do not skip. Follow step by step until you finish this one. So how to connect payment gateways? It's in here. So you must have a PayPal business account. Okay. So you will connect in here. After this one, if you connect your Stripe and your PayPal, you click this one. And after that, connect your sales panel, go with this, go in this, go in this. So this one is only if you are living in the USA. This is our capture page, how to set up emails, automation, everything. Then test, right? So you will test. And you can do it, this one, in 2 days. Importing the panels is easy, but connecting your domain and authenticating this one, it takes like sometimes few hours. Okay? So, yeah. And after this, you can watch the video. you can do whatever you want on the video, right? So, and now I will show you in here, okay? So since you join in here, I will show you what to do, okay? This one, this is our wins digital growth community. As you can see, a lot of people is sharing their wins, right? 64,000, 68,000 for May, and 169,000 since they joined. It's totally awesome, okay? So 3 weeks in just got 2 years. First sale, first $100 huge win for my viral video, 54,000.6 views, woke up 100, payment plans, 42,000 since April. Okay, that's 58,000 in Canadian. Second sale, 2,100 yesterday, 33,000 for May. Plenty, right? A lot of wins, right? And this is our classroom. I'm a paid member. Since you are not paid, right? So you just join. This is only for those paid member. Me, I pay for mentoring $47 per month, but it is not necessarily, right? This one, you will see this one close. There is lock in here because you are not yet subscribed. This is completely optional, okay? So this one, you will see we are on running legacy, 90 days legacy run. You can go in here every single day and watch the video, right? So Michelle gave us training every single day in here, and you will watch. And this one, we have training also in tech, right? Techie or technical help. So if you are not familiar, we have here and we have replays, right? Done for your setup, contact in billing supports, Kajabi login in here, contact supports here, walkthrough setup here also, right? Launchpad setup here, digital passive setup here, legacy builder setup. It's in here. Everything is in here. Okay? So, content vault. So, since they are teaching how to create how to create content, you can use this one. You can use all of this. This is webinar testimonials, all the replays of the webinar already here. Okay? And you can webinar, classes, mentor, you can check this one. TikTok training, everything in here. So hopefully you will not get lost. Right? So this is my briefing for you, and on the next video below, I will show you some video about some pre-classified ads and some paid ads, right, that you can use if you want to do faceless brand or paid traffic. See you and bye-bye.